weld 5 times faster, without sacrificing quality. What if you could increase welding productivity by up to 400% without compromising weld quality? That's exactly what Rotoweld 3 delivers. Standard wall pipe can be welded in approximately 1 minute per inch of diameter. Heavy wall pipe averages only 1.5 minutes per inch. Single bay systems produce more than 150 diameter inches per shift. Twin bay systems exceed 300 diameter inches per shift. Even better, operators require far less welding experience because Rotoweld automatically controls the welding process. Every weld is repeatable. Every weld is consistent. Every weld meets the same high standard. Improve working conditions. Reduce labor dependency. Increase production capacity. And deliver better welds every single day. MacTech makes it easy.